Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here. Excuse me, with the tune-up report. My buddy Tony up in Ohio on this President Ronald. Tony, got another President coming your way. This one with the tune alignment, electrolytic cap upgrade, and we're going to put the cigarette lighter plug adapter on the end of it for you. Let's just show you what we got here. Of course, you do have an RF power adjustment, but we have set it 25 watt slug. We set it to 10. Show your average power. Hello, 25 bird, 50 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 48 peak. Short and sweet for you there, Tony. We'll get this up to you, man. I definitely appreciate you once again. Friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.